Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.4 from question number 3. I have already discussed question number 1 and question number 2 in the previous class. You can check in the playlist. Here, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases. That means px is divisible by x minus 1 or p of 1 equal to 0 by remainder theorem. That means remainder should be 0. Since x minus 1 is a factor of px, therefore p of 1 equal to 0. By remainder theorem, putting the value of x, 1 square plus 1 plus k equal to 0 or 1 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. Or you will get 2 plus k equal to 0 or k equal to minus 2. This is the value of k. Similarly, number 2, same as number 1. You can write the notes. Since x minus 1 is a factor of px, therefore p of 1 equal to 0 or 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root over 2 equal to 0. 2 into 1 square means 2 into 1 or equal to 2 plus k into 1 means k plus root 2 equal to 0 or k equal to minus 2 minus root over 2, or if you take common minus, you can write 2 plus root over 2. This is the value of k. Number 3, px equal to given kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So write same as number 1 and number 2. Since x minus 1 is a factor of px, therefore p of 1 equal to 0. Putting the value of x, k into 1 square root 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 0. K into 1 square means k, root 2 into 1 root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Or you will get k equal to, if you change the side, root 2 here plus and 1 is minus. So the value of k is root 2 minus 1. Here this one number 4, px kx square minus 3x plus k. Since x minus 1 is a factor of px, therefore p of 1 equal to 0, or you can write k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k equal to 0. Or k into 1 square means k minus 3 plus k equal to 0, or 2k minus 3 equal to 0, or you can write 2k equal to 3, or you can write k equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of k. You can write the notes. Number 4 is factorize. Here the polynomial is given 12x square minus 7x plus 1. That is, remember one thing, polynomial in the form ax square plus bx plus c. You have to multiply a and c first. First thing is you have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. And after that you have to factorize this. Say here 12 into 1, 12. You will get 12. Now factorize 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. So you will get 4 into 3, or you will get 2 into 6, or you will get 1 into 12. You have to write multiplication of two numbers, and if here positive, if here symbol is plus, then you have to add the middle term. That's it. 1 plus 12, you will get 13. So you cannot write 1 and 12. 2 and 6, if you add, you will get 8. So you cannot write 2 and 6. But here 4 and 3, 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Then 4 and 3 you can write the factors. So you can write 12x square. You have to add 4 plus 3. So here symbol is minus. So give the negative symbol before 4 and before 3. Take common from these two terms, 4x, 3x minus 1. Here 1 common, but minus 1 is common. So if you take minus 1 common, you get 3x minus 1. Minus minus plus 1. So 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. These two are the factors of 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Similarly, number 2. Here you have to multiply coefficient of x square and constant term. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now factorize this 2 into 3. So 6 you can write 2 into 3. 6 you can write 1 into 6. In this way you can write. So here plus symbol is plus. So you have to add 2 plus 3, you will get 5. So you cannot write 2 and 3. But 1 plus 6 equal to 7. So you can write 1 plus 6. 2x square plus 1x. So simply write x. 6x plus 3. Take common x. You will get 2x plus 1. From these two terms, you will get 3 common, 2x plus 1. So again common this, 2x plus 1, x plus 3. This is the factors. Number 3, 6 into 6, you will get 36. 6 into 6, 36. If you factorize 36, you will get 2 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 3. So you have to write multiplication of two numbers. Here you can write 2 into 18, or you can write 4 into 9, or you can write 12 into 3, or you can write 6 into 6, or you can write 1 into 36. You can write in this way. But here symbol is minus, and you have to subtract from one to another. So 18 minus 2 will get 16. So you have to get 5. So you can write 9 and 4. So 6x square, but here symbol is plus, so give 9 before 9 plus symbol, 9x minus 4x minus 6. I have subtract 4 from 9. So take common here 3x, 2x plus 3 minus, here minus common, so minus 2, 2x plus 3, 3x minus 2. These are the factors. Similarly, number 4, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 12 you can write 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. But here given symbol is minus. You have to subtract. So, and here is 1. 6 minus 2 will get 4. But here 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So, you can write this one. So, 3x square. Here symbol is minus. So, give minus before 4. Minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Now, take common x. 3x minus 4 plus here 1 common, 3x minus 4. Here 1 common, 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4, again common, x plus 1. These are the factors. You can write the notes. Number 5, 2x square plus x minus 45. You have to multiply 2 into 45, you will get 90. So factorize this. 9 into 10 you can write 9 into 90. And here minus 10 minus 9, you will get 1. So write 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. So take common 2x, x plus 5, and minus 9 common, x plus 5. Again x plus 5, x plus 5 common. So write x plus 5, 2x minus 9. Same as previous one. Number 6, here 1, here 65. So 65 you can write 5 into 13, and 5 plus 13 you will get 18. Here plus symbol. So this is so easy. 5y plus 13y plus 65. Take common y plus 5. Here 13 common, y plus 5. So again y plus 5 common and y plus 13. Next this one, p square plus 14p plus 13. 13 means 13 into 1. So you can write p square plus 13 p plus 13. This is so easy. Take common p plus 13. Here 1 common, p plus 13. So you can write p plus 13 into p plus 1. This one, minus, if you arrange highest to lowest order, x square plus 11x minus 18 you can write. Or you can take common minus x square minus 11x plus 18 and write as previous one. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So factorize 18. 9 into 2 will get 18. 9 plus 2 equal to 11. 9x minus 2x plus 18. Now take common x. X minus 9. Here 2 minus 2 common. x minus 9. So minus here x minus 9, x minus 2. These are the factors. So you can write 9 minus x, x minus 2, or 2 minus x into x minus 9. Similarly, number 9, here 8 into 15. You can write the notes. 8 into 15, 15 into 8, if you multiply this one, 5 8s are 44, 0, 4 carry, 8 1s are 8 and 4, 2, 120. Here 22 AB. Here 120 you can write 10 into 12. 10 into 12. And here plus symbol, if you add this 2, you will get 22. So you can write 8a square minus 10ab. Here x, p, here y, x, p, but here ab. So no problem. Just write this one. Minus 12ab plus 15b square. Now take common from here. 8a square minus 10ab. Take common. Here you can take common 2a. You will get 4a minus 5b. Here common 3b. 4a minus 5b. If you take common 3b. So again common 4a minus 5b. And here 2a minus 3b. So these are the factors. You can write the notes. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.